Okay, so we are making squash tonight with the BabyCook. Just so you know, I already skipped a step, which is cutting up a whole squash into blocks in here, as well as filling the water to the size 3. You see where it says 3? And then I poured it all into this little hole there. So we're gonna steam it, and then I will get back to you and let's see how things turn out. All right, so I got it locked in there. Got it put in this part, okay? And then we're just gonna drop it down, and then we're gonna press the steam. And it's gonna start steaming. So you can hear it kind of steaming. I'm just gonna wait until it stops and then it'll be done steaming. Okay, it just beeped, so it is done. Ooh, pretty hot. Whew, a lot of steam. All right. Let's use this little spatula. Oh, I think I did it the wrong way. Oh wait, no I didn't. Okay, go like that. Ooh, okay, it's hot. Ooh. Are they soft? Wow, yeah, they're really soft. That's awesome. And then we have all the steam water here. So what I'm gonna do is just use the steam water. And then I'm gonna put the milk in after. I'm gonna let it cool off for a minute. And then I'm gonna blend it with the steam water. Okay, now we are going to place all the squash with the water and blend it up before we add the milk. So now if you notice, it's like a puree. I like the texture of it. I probably could have put less water. I should have probably put it a little bit less watery, but that's okay. Now we're going to add our milk. Oh. All right, so I only have like 1.5 ounces. So I'm gonna add the milk, give it some flavor. Oh, don't mind me, it's just hard to put sometimes. Okay, there we go. And a bon appetit. Looks great. Yeah. So it made about 4 of these, and these jars are about 2 ounces. It's a little over 2 ounces, except for this last one. I think that's exactly 2 ounces. So a good amount as well, and that is it. And it tastes really good. I tried it, and it tastes like really, really good. The breast milk adds the sweetness to the squash, so it makes it have more flavor. And that is all. Hey, Santi, you ready for your squash? You want some? Here we go. It on your lip. Yummy. You like it? Oh, wow. Big mouthful. You like it? Oh, yay! Yay, it's yummy, huh? Want to see more? Oh, you licked your finger. Oh, you like it. Good job, baby.